I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Sign into the app and confirm screen, mic, and permissions. Once signed in, join or start the meeting and take the presenter role if needed. Now click the share screen icon. You'll see options like entire screen, application window, or browser tab. Choose the right source for what you want others to see, then hit share. By starting here, you avoid extra settings later and get into the actual sharing process immediately. Once you've started sharing, pick the precise source: an entire screen for switching apps, a window for one program, or a tab for browser. Make sure to enable system audio if you're sharing media, and toggle any optimize for video or higher resolution options to reduce lag. Close or mute notifications and sensitive apps so private info doesn't pop up. Also confirm whether your cursor is visible or hidden so viewers can follow clicks and pointers clearly. To finish, click Stop Share and then either end the meeting or pass presenter controls back to someone else. Record first if you need a copy. Make sure participants confirm they saw the content and ask for feedback about audio or frame rate. If sharing fails, check app-level screen permissions in system settings, restart the app, or switch from entire screen to window or tab. That single troubleshooting tip, verify permissions and try a different source, resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.